Oops. Ready, go. Show your moves, flick your hairs. Perfect.
Oh, it looks so good. Nice, you killed it. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So I had to look at the camera actually, right?
You don't have to. I think it looks great like this. If you'd like to do another.
One day in the future?
We actually have
It can actually predict whole methods, unit tests, boilerplate code, even complex algorithms. It feels like magic when you type with Copilot. You have seen machine learning models like GPT-3 created by OpenAI that is trained on languages like German and English and can predict sentences, can give you answers when you ask it a question. Copilot uses a similar model called Codex, but instead of natural language, it was trained on billions of lines of open source code in different programming.
But you're in there. Do you see yourself doing some more deals in the climate industry in the coming years?
Yeah, I mean, we're not set up to do the super technical stuff. There is some fascinating projects going on alternative cements and alternative construction and things like that just are kind of have more science class than I'm personally comfortable for. But we think there's a layer of software businesses that have to be built that are complementary to.
지금 저는 오스트리아 부스에 나와 있습니다. 여기는 캐나다뿐만 아니라 정말 전 세계에서 많은 국가들이 모여들고 있고 각 국가만의 그런 장점을 표현하고 있습니다. 자, 그러면은 담당자를 만나보시도록 하겠습니다. 우태 씨입니다.
Hello. Hello from Austria, and I'd love to tell you more about the business location Austria Vienna, how to expand successfully into Austria, and we're here to support you all the way down from Korea to Austria.
Can I ask you, what about like Austria? What's the special thing, especially regarding tech?
Everybody knows Austria or Vienna, the tourism, classic music, good food, but we have very strong ICT industry that has 4 times the revenue of the tourism industry. And another focus is on life sciences, with Vienna being one of the top 5 places for pharmaceutical biomedical companies to have their R&D units and to explore into the European Union market. So Austria, Vienna is a perfect entry point to enter the EU. It's a small market, it's German speaking, it's very similarly shaped to Germany when it comes to regulation, but it's just an easier market to access, and once you have success in Austria, you can easily deploy to the German-speaking regions. To name a few large fintechs, it's Neanda, that is the unicorn this year, N26, the online bank is in Austria, Morpha, a blockchain trading platform and trading system. Hello, thank you.
Thank you.
I didn't understand.
Yes, okay, sorry. LG 노바 부스에 와 있는데요. 저는 여기 담당자 조슈아 씨를 인터뷰하러 왔습니다. So, hello Joshua, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, can I ask you, what brought you here? Why are you participating in this conference, Collision?
Yeah, so Collision is one of the fastest growing tech conferences in North America, and in addition to that, Toronto is one of the fastest growing tech markets. So we see it as a really unique opportunity to come learn about the Toronto innovation and tech ecosystem, and also maybe identify some great startups to work with.
All over the world, people know what LG is doing, but what about LG Nova?
So LG Nova is really focused on working with startups to create new businesses and technology in a few different areas. Connected health or digital health is one of those areas. EV, which is electrified vehicles and EV infrastructure. is another area. Smart lifestyle is another, thinking about kind of our connected devices in the home and our presence in the home. Then the last one is metaverse. And we see really a unique opportunity to partner with startups. And the approach we're taking is unique as well. So rather than a traditional kind of outside, inside-out approach, we're working from outside in to really identify startups that are compelling, have them engage with us, learn, and collaboratively come up with opportunities to work together.
Sounds amazing. May I ask you, what's the difference compared to the other company, and then why are you supporting startup?
Yeah, so really, startups are on the cutting edge of innovation. So rather than try to do it all ourselves through R&D and other more traditional methods that companies take, we think that there's a unique opportunity to leverage the amazing innovation of startups and partner with those startups. And so by kind of taking an outside-in approach and engaging with startups, we can bring them in and we can partner with them. And really, I think what is unique about us is that, but also that we're truly working to partner with these companies to grow, and hopefully we can create new businesses, but also in order to help those businesses grow, we also support the startups and help them grow through investment and through pilots and other things like that. So I think it's a very unique approach to corporate business development or corporate innovation compared to other players in the market.
Amazing. It sounds like a very meaningful activity that you guys are having. And then, now it's like this conference already on third day, and the rest of the day, is there anything that you want to achieve before you leave?
So there are so many amazing companies here. I don't think we'll even be able to engage with them all. So my goal is to meet with as many as we can, and also get a sense of the conference and maybe go to some good talks. And it's my first time in Toronto personally, so hoping to learn a little bit about Toronto as well, and all the innovation happening here.
Amazing. Maybe last question. So LG is Korean company, and now with the globalization, now LG Nova is located in San Jose, San Francisco area, and then now we are in Toronto. And then how do you feel about it?
I think it's great. I mean, really, LG's a global company, so we need to look globally. And so even though we're based in Silicon Valley, there's a lot of wonderful companies in Silicon Valley that we engage with through events in Palo Alto and in San Francisco. We think it's important that we go to conferences like this and in other countries, and we learn about kind of what's happening globally, because innovation's everywhere, and we want to tap into that.
Thank you very much for the interview, and I hope you have the amazing time here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for having me.
오늘은 3일째 되는 날이었는데요. 벌써 정말 많은 분들을 만났고, 꼭 여기 캐나다뿐만 아니라 오스트리아, 그다음에 독일, 그리고 홍콩 등 다양한 각지에서 온 분들을 만날 수 있었습니다. 자, 그러면은 이제 벌써 내일 마지막 날인데요. 어떻게 될지 참 기대가 됩니다. 지금까지 봐주셔서 감사하고, 내일 마지막 날에도 좋은 컨텐츠 보여드리도록 하겠습니다. 고맙습니다.